Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you are fine. I am Kamalakumari, your science teacher. We are giving you online classes regularly. Now, let us learn lesson 2, playing with magnets. Children, you all like to play with magnets. You will be playing with iron pins attached to magnets and small toy magnets. Let us know more about magnets. How the magnets are formed. What are the properties of magnets? Usually, you will see pin holders in offices. Why pins are attached to pin holder? Some magnet is in the top of the pin holder. So, pins are attached to it. You can see the picture, children. What are magnets? Magnets are those materials which attract other magnetic materials such as iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt. They have two main forces, pull and push. Children, you like stories, no? Well, I will tell you a brief story, the origin of magnet. Around 2500 years ago, there lived an old shepherd named Magnus. He used to take his goats and sheep to the hills for grazing. He always carried a wooden stick which had an iron cap on its lower end. One day, while his goats were grazing, Magnus dipped his stick into a spring of water and poked at the pebbles and stones at the bottom with it. Suddenly, he felt something pulling his stick. When he took out of water, he saw a stone stuck to the iron cap. The stone which Magnus pulled out was called lodestone. It is a natural magnet and possesses the property of attracting iron. There are four types of man-made magnets. We find them in our daily life. They are in different shapes: ring magnet, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, disc magnet. You can see the picture, children. Ring magnet, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and disc magnet. Children, do you know which is the strongest magnet in the world? Neodymium is the strongest magnet in the world. You can see the picture. Artificial or man-made magnets are made of iron, nickel, cobalt, copper, and aluminium. What are the properties of magnet? Before knowing this, you observe the bar magnet attracting pins. You can see the picture, children. So, attraction is one of the properties of a magnet. But you try to bring near a magnet the paper, pencil dust, or eraser. Do they attract? No. Why? Magnets attract only materials having magnetic property. These materials are called magnetic materials. They are iron, jump clip, knife, keys, etc. The materials that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. They are paper, piece of chalk, pencil dust, pen, eraser, etc. Another property of magnet is separation of iron fillings from sand. Activity. Take a bar magnet and roll it in the soil for some time and pull out the magnet. What do you find? you may find some dark particles of soil sticking to the magnet. Now, gently remove these particles from the magnet and collect them in a sheet of paper. These are called iron fillings. You will observe that magnet has a tendency to separate magnetic material, iron fillings, from non-magnetic material, sand. You can see the picture, children. That's all for today.